morning, all of you. Today, I want to be someone who is just legend. I want to be us from childhood. So, I'm so grateful that I have got an opportunity to play and role play of him. So, I am celebrating and so let's start.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, please welcome today's Mohammad Rafi, today's Kishore Kumar, the one and only legend Sonu Nigam.
Thank you for
Thank
inviting
you
me.
for coming to my show. Please take your chair.
Thank you.
Take your chair.
Please sit. So, how I'm feeling very grateful to you to welcome me here, and uh, today is the day very special to me because I personally like to always listen your songs and all.
Thank you.
I'm very grateful.
Because of only you fans, I'm just the one who has given this to a society, and I love to do this job from because you all know that I started singing when I was 4 year old, and throughout my this 40-year journey, I have learned a lot and earned a lot also. And while this whole career, I have seen tough song also, but because of you all support, I am here. So thank you, Archita.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, I have some questions, and also audience also give some questions to me.
Yeah, sure.
These questions, please, ma'am, ask with sir. So, yeah, you serve 40 plus years in the music industry. So, what's the challenges you face? Because today's you see there are lots of competition in the every field, and also in the music industry there are a lot of singers. So, how they can grow and how they start their music journey?
So as you told, yes, I have spent more than 40 years, but I just feel I have started my career now. This 40 year just like vanished this year. And throughout this journey, I have learned a lot of things from our gurus and legends like you said, Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar. These are the legends. No one can match their level. They are the top performers, and they have done a lot of riyas, the sargams, and the rag in their time. So, whenever I feel that tough situation and want to learn something new, I just hear their song. In deep down, I feel that today I have learned many things. And as you told also that there is too much competition also. So while talking about the competition is because that the quality is missing. Just today's singer, they only want to just a rapid success. But if you want to be stable in one category, your core concept should be clear. If you just started thinking that without knowing the basics, rag and all, then it will be not good enough to be the best. So I want all of you, if you want career, if you want to start career in singing, so please just focus on the roots.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. And talk about which what's the challenges you faced when you grow in the industry?
So the challenges, actually I have faced a lot of challenges because there was no one like Godfather. I was just made by my own. My father sing in stand-up shows. Through there, I got there and started singing there. Then after I came to Mumbai, and the first song I heard that Kumar San give me a chance to just sing with him. From there, he noticed that the boy,
Okay,
the boy.
something is different
Some-
in this boy.
Yeah. So from there, I started my career.
So you sang more than 30 languages,
Yeah.
in more than 30 languages. So which language you personally like, and what's the experience?
So question is so much interesting. That I love all the language, but when I just sing in Hindi, it just I feel that because it's our native language, and whenever I just sing in Hindi, I feel and sing. In other than language, I have to first learn the lyrics and understand the meaning. Then I have to sing. But all are my favorite, but Hindi is the first.
Who is your favorite co-singer? Because in this long journey, you met a lot of singers. So, who is your favorite co-singer? And but you personally like to sing with them?
My favorite singer the all time is Lata ji. I have only got one chance to just sing with her, and that was incredible. That day I can't forget.
Very melodious voice she have. You also.
Yeah, but yeah, my one of the favorite. But all of my other sort of favorites like Santosh, Shreya Ghoshal, Atif Aslam, that's and all this are also my favorites.
So, I want to ask you one question that is, that is, but you at that time you also you change your hairstyles. We see a lot, and you are looking very dashing and handsome. What's the secret of this? Which routine you maintain? What's the daily routine you follow in your day in your life?
Actually, it's really hard to maintain a good routine because for shows I have to travel from one country to another country. But I just focus on my diet, is what I eat. It's really matter what he eat, and somehow just manage to walk to burn that calorie. And while talking about the hairstyle, I just never do it intentionally. It just happen. Yeah.
And in the singing, which routine you follow every day? Because
Whenever I go anywhere, my tanpura is always playing. So if I'm sitting or just going through somewhere, while in car also I just riyas sometimes. Yeah. So every time I do riyas like that.
and also hard work
Yeah.
is important.
Hard
You
work is so
also
important.
do a lot of hard work to be here and a lot to become in the successful in your life. And most of the youth admires you. So that is the huge thing. And
Yes. See you.
sir, we have in our show, I have a one game for you. So the game name is A Tenu Phasawa. So, I have some chits. I have some chits and in the chits, I have some chits and in these chits, there some singer's name is there.
Okay.
So you can just mimic them or you can just sing a song,
Okay.
their song.
Sounds interesting. Let's try.
I have some chits. You can pick any chit.
Okay. So. Last year.
Yeah. You can sing.
Yeah, I try.
Song.
ओ टूटा टूटा एक पल जो जुड़ ना पाया हो लूटा लूटा उसको तूने ऐसे लूटा जो मिल ना पाया. I think that's it.
You can sing one more.
Okay,
want.
if you insist, I think just one more. So it's Arjit Singh. Arjit Singh, my personal favorite. So. बस तुम ही हो जिंदगी तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी तुम ही हो.
I'm very grateful to start as
I like this concept.
what personally any advice you want. Please pay attention here. Any advice you want to give?
The only advice I will give to all of you that do hard work, never look back. You can do whatever you think. Yeah, that's the thing you have to only do.
Thank you so much, sir. At the end, I requested you. Can you sing one personally song, your song which you personally like, and please can you sing one song for me and my lovely audience?
Actually, I have sung a song, but if you insist, one of my favorites, so I think it will be all of your favorite also. अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी कुछ ऐसी लगन उस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छोड़ूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ चूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा Thank you.
Thank you so
That's
much.
it.
It was a very interesting interview. I was made by my own name. I am self-made. Someone used the word is self.
Self.
Very good. Singing the last song that was sang.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.